Hello guys, welcome to Decrypt, and in this video I'm gonna review 5 of the best screen recorders available on the Play Store for Android and for free.
Decrypting technology.
Now all of these screen recorders have something in common. The first being they are freely available on Play Store, so you can just go and download them for free. The next being that they necessarily do not require any root permissions, so you're good there. The third being that these screen recorders cannot record your audios of your device. So that means you cannot record the audio of your game or movie you are playing on your device, but you can still record your own voice through the mic. And the last point being that most of them might not work on Android versions previous than Lollipop. So make sure you have at least Lollipop on your device. So let's start. Now the first app on the list is Unlimited Screen Recorder. So this app has a very basic interface. As you can see, all of your options are right here on the front page, and it has options to donate. You can choose video bitrate, video codec, frame rate, resolution, orientation, audio sampling rate, microphone, duration, touches, and directory. So you can do all that from the first page. And when you want to start recording, just you have to press this REC button here and it will start recording. So let's see the results. So first I'm trying to record a video, and as you can see there is no visible loss or lag in the video. So next I try to record a game, and as you can see the game is quite smooth, but the problem is the video recorder crashed in between, and I tried multiple times recording the game but with the same results. Moving on to the second app, we have Easy Screen Recorder, and when you open this app you get 4 options. First to record, second for the settings, third for the gallery, and fourth to exit. When you go into the settings you get some control options like encoder, stop options, so how you want to stop your video, and video configurations like resolution, frame rate, bitrate, orientation, and you can also choose to shoot time-lapse videos. And you can record audio, and if you want a text or logo to appear on your screen like decrypt written here down below, you can just go in this option and show text and show logo. So you can do that, and you can also show touches, show face camera, rear camera. So while shooting your or recording your screen, you can also show or use your camera of your mobile device. And camera settings, we have timer, so before you want to start the recording you can choose to have a timer. And we also have output directory, so you can choose where you want to store your videos. As for the results, the video here also is smooth and without losses. Now the game recorded quite well here and completely unlike the previous app, but the problem here is that there were some lags in the recording, so there were some frame drops. Now the third app is ADV Screen Recorder, and when you first open it, it greets you with a screen where your previous recordings are listed. When you go into the settings, you are again given options to choose your recording engine. The default engine is the advanced engine, how you want to stop your videos, a 3-second countdown. In the video settings we have video resolution, bitrate, and video frame rate. You can record your mic and use your camera like for the face camera or the rear camera. And we have logo and text, so if you want to display a logo or text on the screen in the recording, you can do that from here. And you can also show touches. And finally we have the output folder to where you want to save your video recordings, so it's pretty much like the previous app. Now for the results, here also the video recorded well and error free. As for the gameplay recording, It was neither smooth nor did it last for the complete recording and crashed in between. So moving on to the fourth app, we have REC Screen Recorder, and when you open this you are rather greeted with a simple interface and 5 options for size, bitrate, duration, whether you want to record your audio or not, and finally the file name. So to start recording you just have to press record. In the settings we have storage location where you want to store your video recording, the auto rotate function, so you can switch the width and height based on your device's orientation. You can minimize the app when the recording starts, and what to display in the notification when the recording has finished. To shut down the recording you can simply shut down your screen. And we have other features, but they're available in the pro version, so you can buy if you want. Now going for the results, and again the video recording was quite smooth and error free. As for the game, I had one on another problem while recording games in the previous apps, but in this app I did not encounter such problems and the video was quite smooth and it completed for the full length of the game. For the last app on this list we have Telesign. When you open this app it shows you very basic interface, as this is a very light app available on Play Store. For me it was around 1.5 MB, and here you have video size, so you can choose whether to have the video size of 100%, 75 or 50%. You have a 3-second countdown, hide from recent apps, so it will not show here in the recent apps, and recording notification, so it will give you a notification when you're recording and you can stop the recording from there. And finally it gives you option to show touches. So that's about this app. Let's see the results. Again the video recorded in its full glory and without any error. And again the game here recorded completed for its full length and without much error. So in the conclusion I would like to say that these apps will not necessarily crash on your device as they did in my case, since I was using a device with 1 GB of RAM. Now all of these apps are good for your screen recordings and depends on what you want to record. I used ADV screen recording for as it gives me many options to choose from, and for high FPS game recordings I prefer REC screen recorder for its lag free experience. So thank you guys for watching, and please like the video if you liked it, leave suggestions and comments in the comment section below, and subscribe if you like it. And if you want to learn how to mirror your Android screen, click on the given link.